In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal, plus a few tips to avoid common mistakes. First, sign into your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the correct account or sub-account if you manage multiple. It helps to double check the account name in the top navigation before you proceed, especially if you have similar campaigns across different accounts. Once you're in, look to the main navigation panel on the left and open the campaigns section. This brings up the campaigns table where you can see each campaign's name, status, budget, and performance. If you don't immediately see your campaign, use the search bar or adjust your filters to show the right time range or campaign types. Next, select the campaign you want to delete by clicking the checkbox next to its name. Selecting the checkbox activates the bulk action toolbar above the table. If you're certain you want multiple campaigns removed, you can select more than one at this stage, but be absolutely sure you've picked the right ones. With the campaign selected, click the Edit drop-down that appears at the top of the table and choose Remove. You'll also see Pause in that menu, and it's worth noting the difference. Pausing stops your ads but preserves the option to resume later, while removing is a more permanent action. If you're undecided, consider pausing first to prevent accidental loss of a configuration you may want to reuse. A confirmation prompt will appear explaining that you're about to permanently remove the campaign. Read it carefully, then click Confirm to finalize the deletion. After you confirm, the campaign stops serving immediately. Your historical data remains in your reports, so you can still reference performance for analysis and billing records. Finally, your campaign will be marked as removed. To view it, adjust your campaign filters to show all, not just enabled or paused. This is useful if you need to review old settings, export data, or verify that the removal went through. Keep in mind that removed campaigns can't be reactivated. If you think you might reuse the structure later, consider duplicating the campaign before removal, or take screenshots and notes of key settings so you can recreate it quickly. That's it. Log in, go to Campaigns, select the campaign, choose Remove from the Edit menu, confirm, and then find it under All if you need to reference it later.